Welcome to Animal Channel. In today's episode, we will count down the top 7 animals that kill warthogs. Warthogs are a formidable and dangerous animal. But, unfortunately for the warthog, there are plenty of animals that would like nothing more than a fresh meal of pork. Here are the top 7 animals that kill warthogs. Number 7. Crocodile. Weighing up to a ton and with a bite force of 3,700 pounds per square inch, the warthog is no match for the crocodile. Six, wild dogs. Wild dogs are not the biggest or the strongest animal, but they do have high endurance, and hunting as a pack makes them a very successful hunter. In fact, wild dogs have over 80% successful kill rate. Five, cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world, capable of reaching speeds of over 70 miles per hour. It normally prefers hunting Thompson gazelle, but occasionally it will prey on a mid-sized warthog. Four, martial eagle. The martial eagle is the largest eagle in Africa. It is extremely strong and powerful, capable of killing and carrying prey twice its size. Unfortunately, this little piggy didn't make it home. 3. Tiger. Weighing up to 600 pounds, the tiger is the apex predator in Asia. It is no match for the warthog. In fact, tigers are so powerful they can kill a warthog with a single swipe of the paw. Two, lions. Being that lions live in large packs, they have many mouths to feed. Therefore, lions prefer hunting big game such as buffalo, zebra, and giraffe. But occasionally, Simba will take out Pumbaa. Number 1, leopard. With extreme agility and power, the leopard kills more warthogs than any other animal in the world, making it the ultimate warthog killing machine.